Hi everybody! We're going to be learning on how to set up your account for Canva for Education today. Canva is a great tool for using for infographics and other media content that you can make up here. Now of course Canva is 100% free for the basic tools that you need, but you definitely want to use the most out of it and you would like to have Pro, and it comes for a price. But of course, being an educator, you have the privilege that Canva offers 100% free license for Pro for free for education. So I'm going to go ahead and click on education right here. Now there's a shortcut of coming up here. You can go canva.com/education. So you'll end up on the same page again. Now here you can explore if you want. You can go all the way down and see all the things. There could be new things the time maybe you are up on this page. Now at this point here I see these two buttons. Of course I can play the video and see the introduction. And of course they say it's 100% free now and forever for education. I'm going to go ahead and click register now for free. Now here I have the opportunity to sign up with Clever, with Google, with Microsoft, and I can even sign up with an email. Now if I already have an account, which I actually do, and that is the most of the worry for educators, and they ask very often that what if I already have an account with Canva? Should I start over with signing up with my email again, or should I just log in? So if you already have an account with Canva, which is for your school account, please go ahead and log in here. Now I have the opportunity to sign in here, which is my email right here, and I'm going to go ahead and sign up. Now here is a tiny little thing that you should be careful with. So if you're a tech coordinator or technology director or somebody from leadership at your school hasn't signed up Canva for education, so you wouldn't be able to use it right away. So at this point, it would be a good idea that tech coordinators take over and see how you can use it. In case you don't have a tech coordinator, if you're a small school and you're still growing, and you're trying to help the other colleague or other coworkers around you to set up this account, here's what you can do. In case you're not associated, here's how you can get started. You can click on apply an account today. And here's a tiny little page, which is something very important to know. So there are some eligibility requirements. So if you want, you can go and study in details, but I would tell you to go straight and get started. All you got to do is sign up with your name. I'm going to go ahead and sign up with my name. So I'm going to sign my school name here. And what next is something very important. Remember to sign up with a website that is accessible. So Canva can actually access and see if this part is actually important. Now, what is actually important here is you would like to use the domain name, which is kind of the at whatever at your school. So I'm going to go ahead and type .cn. That's the kind we use. Now you should declare your status, what you're doing. So I'm just going to say a tech coordinator. In my case, if you're an individual teacher and trying to help your school, please do mention here. Now, it's important to tell how many students you've got at your school in total and how many students you've got in your class. In case you already have an account, so in my case, this was my email. I'm going to type in here. Now, this was actually an alternative email in case I couldn't access for some reason. I'm going to sign in with anything here, but for the sake of simplicity here, I'm going to sign in with my same email again. Now, it's important to choose the country you're at. So I'm going to go ahead and choose China because that's where I'm at right now. If you're elsewhere, please go ahead and pick your country. If you already use Canva in your class, which I actually do, so I'm going to click yes. If you don't, please click no. And if other teachers at your school use Canva, just click yes. And if you're not sure, and if you think they don't, so just click no. And in my case, yes, I do, and other teachers don't, so I'm going to click here. Now, it's important to tell why you would like to use Canva and how you would actually use it. So just tell to design maybe infographics in my case. And what's important here is you will need to prove that you're an active employee here at your school. So upload any card, a school card, any license or whatever you've got, maybe the first page of your contract with some hidden details. In case you're the tech coordinator, tech director, or leadership person, please upload a school license. That's the easiest way to get verified. Just click upload, put the file up here, agree, and submit. And Canva is going to get back to you very, very quick. Now here I am on the page that I was verified. And what I want to show you is when I go and create a design, I can start with anything. So I'm just going to go ahead and click on poster. Now if I was free version with Canva, I could do a few things. But when I go up here and let's just say elements, just to make sure that yes, it does work. I'm going to type in something, let's say square, and take a look. This one is free, but there could be some. I'm just going to try to scroll. So take a look. It says education here. And of course, it comes with free of cost just for you because this was a pro, but it's offered for free. Now, how are you going to verify that your account is actually associated with Canva for Education? So you're going to click on your thumbnail here. If you don't have a picture yet, it's going to be your first initial. You're going to click here and go to account settings. And at the very first glimpse, you're going to see what describes you as the best. So of course, teacher. But if you want to be very sure, just go ahead and click on Building and Teams right here. And here it says Canva for Education. In case you weren't, it wouldn't say up here. So all the very best. Have fun with Canva. Bye for now.